Welcome to our World Cup tournament. Woo! Our first contestant is Christiana Therese Gozo. Hi, Christiana.
Hi!
Our second contestant is Fiona Liza Baculao. Hi!
Okay.
Okay, gaganapin na nila kanilang... They're showing their sportsmanship.
Play!
Play!
Yeah.
One, two. The mechanics of the game is to padugayay. 1, 2, 3, go! Kabuya kundi pa ni oy. Okay, we're both trying hard to be the winner. Hey, no cheating, no cheating. Please qualify. The prize is to gain dignity and kapal na mukha. Ay mo palayo. Sige, tuyukan ninyo ni Tibokon. Yay! Our winner is Fiona! Fiona! Pumasok ka! Our winner is... Ako! Magnooti ka ron! The winner is... Magnooti ka ron! Christiana